Jesse, here's your little 347, just got done Dyno. Give you a description of this combination. It's got the new Holley manifold on it, obviously fuel management, Holley Terminator X, custom ground camshafts, set of our cylinder heads, set the front sup oil pan. It's got the blacked out front end there. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3500s, 391 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque 400 foot-pounds. Peaks horsepower 418. So we're rated at 425. Front end's about 15 or 20, so everything's good. Get her off there, get her crate, come your way. Have a great day.